ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, in the last class we have seen that the structure of female reproductive system. We continue now here with the last class only. I told you I will come back with the structure of Graphene Follicle. We are going to see that Graphene Follicle, accessory ducts, vagina, external genitalia that is concerned with the female, and the hive. Today we are trying to cover all these points. I will start with the Graphene Follicle. You observe that the Graphene follicles, these are available in the each ovaries. At the time of puberty, so starts with minimum, so 4 lakhs and above. 4 lakhs ವರೆಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾಲಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The structure of that one, you observing that. See, we have classified that primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, and the Graafian follicle, the matured one. The structure of this Graphene follicle, it includes, you observe that there is a presence of the cavity. It's in a fluid one. We say it is called as a follicular antrum, or we can say that follicular cavity also. See, the central one, we say it is called as a nucleus. Of course, we are saying that the germinal vesicle, and this one is covered by the layer, we say it is called as a zona pellucida. The cell is said to be the secondary oocyte. Cell is a secondary oocyte and it is covered by the layer, we say it is called as the zona pellucida. And this zona pellucida is covered by the cells. So we are saying that membrana granulosa we are observing here. The connections you observe that here, the mass of cells are there. We are saying that it is called as a cumulus operus, or it is a cluster of cells. That is very simple. And don't worry, they are asking this Graphene follicle for your examination. It is for just your knowledge, because for your need and see. Okay? And after that, the cover you observe that here, we say it is called as the membrana granulosa. And outside that, it is surrounded by the basement membrane. Above that, it enclosed by the theca interna, and outside the theca externa. See, theca externa outer layer, below that theca interna, and the basement membrane, you will get in that membrana granulosa, and here the cluster of cell is there. We say it is called the cumulus operus. This covers the zona pellucida. It's surrounding the secondary oocyte. Inner you are going to getting that the germinal vesicle. This is the structure of Graphene follicle. Go through that one structure, and if you are observing this video, please students follow the video clips. For you, we are minimizing just 15 or 12 minutes. Goes on with these clips, even though you have seen our board clips. Please. Now I will continue with the accessory ducts. Accessory ducts are classified into 3 parts. Accessory ducts. We are saying 2 oviducts. Oviducts are nothing but fallopian tubes, these 2, and afterwards uterus and the vagina. So we are saying these are the 3 ducts. This one is, as you already seen in the last class, there is a fallopian tube. 2 are there. So it is going to be dividing into isthmus, ampulla and the infundibulum. Infundibulum is the wider part. After that ends with the finger-like projection, femibrae. And ampulla is the narrow one. It's the site for the usually fertilization. That's the junction of isthmus and the ampulla. Okay, and the beginning one, isthmus opens into the vaginal cavity. So that means the uterus, into the uterus, it opens. So that is the isthmus, ampulla and infundibulum we have seen in the last class. And the next one is the central one, the cavity of that female reproductive system. As you know that the baby is growing in that cavity, we say it is called as the uterus. So uterus is covered by, so of course uterus is going to be dividing. The upper part is called as the fundus and the mid portion is called as the body and the lower portion is said to be the cervix, cervical canal and cervix, the neck. The body is covered by, you know that, endometrium layer, and after that the muscular one, so the myometrium, and the outer one, thin one, we say is called the perimetrium. These are the three layers we are going to found in uterus. Cover and the opening of that uterus after the cervix, we say it's called as a vagina. It is an external one. Uterus and the third one opening we say it's called as a vagina. So vagina just is found in between the urethra and the anus. The urethra ಮತ್ತು ಈ anus ನಡುವೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ vaginal opening ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This vagina is covered by, so that is inside, the sensitive papillae are there. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ sensitive papillae ಇರುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. And moreover, the most important, we say, Bartholin glands are available. These Bartholin glands are going to be helping for the secretion, and that secretion is going to be helpful for lubrication of penis. Penis lubrication agಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು Bartholin glands in the secretion ನಮಗೆ helpful ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We have seen that in the male reproductive system. Cowper's glands ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. That is also going to be helpful for this one. On both sides, I told that sex is not a physical task. That one, that includes even mental also. When both are ready, definitely the secretion begin. That's at the beginning, and that is going to be helpful for the easy coitus. Otherwise, it is a very difficult because of friction. Okay, so that is another vagina. This is about, in brief, accessory ducts. Accessory ducts are oviducts, the fallopian tube, uterus is dividing into fundus, body at the cervix. The vagina is an outer one of the cervix. We have observed that it consists of papillae and the Bartholin glands. After the completion of this one, the accessory ducts, I will move to the external genitalia. You are observing here the structure external genitalia. See, external genitalia, the outside, the fatty one, the tissue, so that is called as an mons pubis. I will come back. The external genitalia, it includes mons pubis, vestibule, hymen and the clitoris. The mons pubis is the one, it is bulged one, it's covered with that means it is made by the fatty tissues. And there is a presence of hairs. Hairs are present ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. And you observing that the set here, we are dividing into the labia majora and the labia minora. Labia majora is the outside one. It is a fleshy fatty and it is with the hairs. Hairy ಆಗಿರುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. This foldable labia majora covers the inner one, labia minora. It's a very small and thin and hairless. So after that labia minora, you just observe that the vaginal opening is there. Above that, I said you, in the male there is a common duct for the sperms and the urine. But here you observe that vaginal opening is separate and urethral opening is separate, just above. It is at the joint of, we are observing that labia, so that is minora, labia minora and joint ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ opening ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So it is called as a urethral opening. Above that, we are going to be getting that the clitoris. It is present just above the urethral opening. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. This clitoris is most important. It is a very highly sensitive organ. It is going to be helpful during coitus, for erection and all those things. Okay, so most important part of that external genitalia, that is the clitoris. This is about the external genitalia. You are getting that? Yes, it is big. So it is almost nearer to the vaginal part, so that commonly we observe more infection occurs in the female. Genital infections will ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ because of nearer of these ends. So it is very clear that external genitalia includes both fibules. In that, it is an outer one. Below that, you are getting that labia majora, labia minora. Majora is a fleshy, fatty with hairy. Minora is the very thin and hairless. The vaginal opening, so the urethral opening, the clitoris. This one is the external genitalia. After the completion of this external genitalia, I will move to the next one more, that is hymen. Hymen is a membrane. It just covers the end, that means entrance of that vaginal opening. Vaginal opening alli namage irodana membrane irodana nodta iddeve. It just torn, ಅದು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So at the time of coitus, and little bleeding is there. So the people are thinking that it is a symbol of virginity. No, it is not a symbol of virginity, because in some females it may turn because of their cycling or swimming or the zerping and any types. Even we have seen that even after the coitus, the first coitus, this cannot turn, hymen cut agadilla. Hagagi, now we are not considering that the turn of this hymen, that membrane, is not going to be considering the symbol of virginity. Okay, it may turn in any physical tasks. Okay, so that is the thing. So students, once again I am requesting you, go through the videos, clips, and continuing goes on with the test. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಪರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಡೇಟನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, and we are going to be collecting after that means when college is going to be started. Okay, till then stay home and be safe. Okay, bye, thank you.